Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting that could completely revolutionize our world. Solid-state batteries. We're talking about the next big leap in energy storage, and we'll specifically be looking at what is happening right here in North America, the US, and Canada. Get ready to have your mind blown by some cutting-edge tech. So, what exactly are solid-state batteries? And why are they such a big deal? Imagine the batteries in your phone or electric car right now. They use a liquid electrolyte, which can be flammable and limits their performance. Solid-state batteries, as the name suggests, replace that liquid with a solid material. This might sound like a small change, but it unlocks massive potential. We're talking about batteries that are safer, pack more energy into a smaller space, charge much faster, and last way longer. Think about it. An electric car with a 500-mile range that recharges in 10 minutes, or a phone that lasts a week on a single charge. That's the dream solid-state batteries promise. Now, let's zoom in on the United States. The US is a hotbed of innovation in this field. Companies like QuantumScape, Solid Power, and Ionic Materials are leading the charge, backed by significant investments from major automotive players like Volkswagen and Ford. These companies are pouring resources into R&D, tackling the complex manufacturing challenges that come with this new technology. The goal is clear: to be at the forefront of the next generation of battery tech, securing America's position in the global energy market, and boosting domestic EV production. We're seeing government initiatives and private funding creating a powerful ecosystem for solid-state battery development, aiming to make these batteries a commercial reality within the next few years. It's a race, and the US is definitely a strong contender. But the innovation isn't just limited to the US. Our neighbors to the north, Canada, are also making impressive strides. While perhaps not as widely publicized, Canadian researchers and startups are contributing significantly to this field. Universities like Dalhousie, a recognized leader in battery research, are pushing the boundaries of material science to develop new solid electrolytes. Companies like Hydro-Québec, a subsidiary, Lithium Canada, are also exploring various solid-state chemistries. Canada has a rich source of critical minerals needed for battery production, which gives it a unique advantage in building out a complete supply chain for future battery technologies. Plus, with a strong focus on clean energy and reducing emissions, investing in advanced battery tech like solid-state solutions is a natural fit for Canada's long-term environmental and economic goals. The collaboration potential between US and Canadian entities in this sector is huge, fostering a strong North American front in the global battery race. Of course, developing these batteries isn't without its hurdles. Scaling production, answering cost-effectiveness, and perfecting these solid electrolyte materials are massive engineering challenges. But the progress we're seeing is incredibly promising. These advancements mean a future with cleaner transportation, more reliable, renewable energy grids, and powerful, long-lasting personal electronics. It's truly an exciting time to be alive, witnessing the dawn of a new energy era. So, what do you think? Are you ready for solid-state batteries to power your next car or device? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this dive into solid-state tech fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more exciting content like this. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth explorations of the technologies shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.